Hello everyone. In the previous video I got to this point in the project where you can have either a chocolate bar or a banana or any sort of snack really in this holder, and also the water bottle holder. In this video I'd like to make it a dual one, so then you can get two of these in. So all I want to do now is print another one of these and then a back plate that joins two of them next to each other. So I'm just going to do that now. So this is the holder with the back plate on it, so then I can hold two snack holders. As you can see, it does bend a bit, so I want to increase the strength on this by pushing that bit back and going up over that outy bit and down again. So it's a bit corrugated almost, so I can fit some strengthener tabs like that on there, so it makes it stronger and adds to the style of it, because at the moment it's just a flat plate and it's not really adding to the design at all. I would also like these to be able to have like an outer extruded part, so when you just put the nut in and do it up from that side. It's called captive, so I'd like to keep it captive in there, because at the moment once you've done those up it's very hard to get the sides on. It's quite easy to do that up first, so I'll do that, that doesn't really matter too much. It's just I want those to be captive so it makes it easier to do up. Yeah, and just make it a bit stronger, and then I think I'm set with that. So I'm just going to do a little bit more development on that now. So after a bit of testing, I've made a few more. So this is the first one, just a flat plate. Yeah, so I changed that to this one, which you just see me make. The issue with this one is that with the knobbly out bit, it wasn't wide enough in there, so it kind of bent itself out. So what I did was increased that width, and I think I changed the depth a bit as well. I made it a bit shallower, so then the screws weren't hitting the bottle holder when they went through. And then because it wasn't actually connecting with the nylon of the nyloc nut, I needed one of my longer screws, but it was a bit too long. So what I did was made a bit of a washer. So that spreads the weight of the load over a bigger area. So that's, instead of using lots of washers, I can just make it into the actual part itself. And it keeps it away from scraping the bottle, but also is making it longer so it engages with the nyloc. So this is what I've used for now. So this is the updated version. So I've got the built-in washer like I explained before. I did try to cycle along with, I think it was this one, but then the screw fell out because I had a normal nut on the back instead of a nyloc. And then I tried putting a nyloc on, and then you had to get a spanner and an Allen key, and it was a right fiddle to do. So I put a captive nut like I have done there, so that makes it a lot better, and it doesn't wiggle or anything really. So I've given a silver one, so this colour, I've given a silver one to my friend and a dark grey one, so he can test on and off-road to double check nothing's going to fall apart. This is a one for another mate, so I've personalised that for him. And then, yeah, I've got my own one, which is quite nice. So I'm going to put a description and a link below once I've got this up to, well, I've got it on a website. So then you can buy it yourself if you really want to. If not, leave me a comment asking for the files and I can give them to you. And also, if you can put in the comment section any future ideas for other projects that I can do, then I'll be very interested to read those. So if you've enjoyed the videos, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching.